Junebug, Venmo me 100 with your phone number so we can text about it. I'll do it. You know how much I'd love to be in New York City, in spite of him being a control freak. Definitely fake. Link in bio. Definitely instant follow. I don't have to ask. I don't have to ask. We just send. We just exist. And they send. Steve. My life goal today is galaxies. Send a galaxy if you want to speed up. Hi, Pennsylvania. Okay, you may speed up. Only a little. Sorry, puppies. Oh, don't take much. I am. I'm in Miami. I'm not having a lesson. Sorry, Crow. Sorry, Crow. You can't message me right now. They have me restricted. But you can spend me $100 with your phone number and I'll text you. Thanks, sour cookies. Okay, Matthew. Venmo, link in bio. Send your phone number in the chat, in the thing, comment, and send 100 or I'm not responding. Okay, Vincent. Waiting to hear from you, Matthew. Patiently waiting. My Venmo is working, Junebug. Send 100 with your phone number in the chat. I am on here right now, waiting and to text. I can't receive messages right now, so 100 is if you want to text with me right now. Privately, I am going, you can Venmo me 100 with your phone number in the chat, and I'll text you because they have me restricted right now, and I want to talk to my friends. Thank you, Ben. Thanks for the follows, friends. Yeah, because if I gave out my number, people would be going crazy. Okay, send me another galaxy if you want to go faster. Send me another galaxy if you want to go faster. Texting with me is only for my VVIPs. Okay, you may go a little faster. That guy, what do you want to buy me? Oh, for these? Venmo me and I'll go buy me something myself. I know exactly what I want. I've been waiting to be able to buy. Two more galaxies to go faster. Obviously 32, I'm not fat. Two more galaxies if you want to speed up. Matthew, be like Matthew. Thank you, friends. If you want to talk to me, because they have me blocked right now, you have to Venmo me your phone number. Be like Matthew. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, that guy. Send me a galaxy so I can tell you what size. I don't even know what it is, Jarvis.